What is up, guys? Your boy Gizmo back here with another video, and I hope you guys are doing well. This is a highly anticipated video, and today we have the official car project reveal, and it's a pretty small car. As you can see on the title, it's the Mazda Miata. Right now, I mean, it needs work done, but it's not too bad, as you can see right here. Yeah, I got it, I think in December, and it's just been chilling in my garage. And I have the hardtop right there. As you can see, guys, this little small car, it fits right there with no problem. The hardtop off, with no top right now, because we're gonna install some carpet that I found on the junkyard. Just roll the clip. Junkyard. This one's a 95. We're right here getting the little headlight thingies. And yeah, there was like little thingies that I was trying to get, like cup holders, and somehow I found them. They're somewhere right here, but yeah, we'll just keep you posted. Alright, guys, so we found today a carpet. It's kind of dirty, but we'll give it a good clean up. We found a soft top, and it has like the assembly shit. It's in good condition, and the soft top's not even ripped. And we found a little radio harness thingy, but it's kind of broken right here, so I don't know if to take that or not. But yeah, I mean, the seats, they're in decent condition, but the Yata's seats are already good. So like, I mean, this is pretty good, but I mean, the Yata seats are probably pretty much the same condition, if not even better. But yeah, guys, right here we're about to install, well, I'm about to install it right now. It has the door panels on the trunk, and then this is the interior right here. Steering wheel, it's not bad. Look at the seat qualities. The seats are good, no rips, no nothing. It's a hydro, and the drift knuckle is by Chase Bay to drift it. But I don't know, I might do drifting, but I'll probably daily it for right now, you know. Gotta get used to it, because it's actually my first time like owning a manual car, because before this I didn't know how to drive it. But as you can see, I roll the clips. So I mean, yeah, it needs a few stuff. Like, I need to get this and this. I'm gonna do something with that, so like, don't even worry about that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but today we're gonna be installing the carpet inside the interior, because it needs that. But yeah, guys, it's a little small car. All right, guys, so welcome back to episode number 1. Excuse the wind, I don't know if this is working or not. It's my first time doing it like this. But yeah, this is the first video of the 1992 Mazda Miata. As you can see, this car is small as hell, so it's a car for me. But yeah, shout out to my boy 240 Kev and my boy Alice. Follow them on Instagram. They're without them, it wouldn't be possible for me to get this car, because they were the Miata experts. And yeah, they checked out the car, I checked the car, and everything seemed cool. Shout out to that boy Simply Sinister. Y'all go follow him. Y'all go check him out too. His car is sick as hell. But yeah, of course, it needs its little work done. I'm gonna wrap it soon, and then get different wheels. And yeah, I'll just do like different episodes or whatever for like whatever stuff I get, because obviously, I mean, I already have the hardtop, so I don't need to make a separate video for that. I'll just show you guys the hardtop. I mean, yeah, this is a hardtop. They're called from Alice. Very good condition, so I'll try to keep it like that. Came with a Xavier Wolf sticker and Camera Gang sticker and the little penguin. So you already know that shit fire right now. The weather's bright as hell. I don't know if y'all could see this clearly or not, but yeah. Today we're just gonna clean the interior, and we're gonna put carpet all over. Cause I found carpet when we went to the junkyard, so we're gonna put carpet. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this series. Like and subscribe, enjoy, follow, whatever. Alright, guys, so as you can see, I took out the seats, and now we're gonna put in the and the carpet. We have the seats right there. They're not in bad condition. I'll probably clean them later. But right now we're just gonna put focus our priorities to the carpet or little grass pieces. But that's vacuumable, if that's even a word. But yeah, we're gonna see a little update when I put it in the Miata. Alright guys, I'm back, and here's a little update right here. I installed it. As you can see, it's a little dirty, but I mean, I'll clean it up. And I had to do some cutting modifications. Yeah, I had to do little customizations or whatever because it has a hydro. So obviously I had to cut in it a little bit. But otherwise, like, overall, it fit good. It does change up the interior a bit. So yeah, I mean, first, I'm gonna install that piece, and then I'll put those back. And yeah, I'm gonna get rid of the little pieces I cut. I mean, overall, I like how it looks right now, and to keep you guys updated. First, I gotta go pick up my brothers, and yeah, I guess I'll be back. What's going on, guys? It's your boy. I'm back. This is day 2 of Project Yata, and as you can see, I didn't have time yesterday to film the rest of the video. But this part is just gonna be me, I guess, vacuuming the carpet, which I didn't do before installing it, because it was just gonna get like dirty or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna vacuum it. Probably later on, I'll probably clean it more with the seats. But I mean, who knows? We'll just see. But I mean, there's wind. Hopefully, it don't affect the audio. But yeah, right now I'm finna vacuum the Yata. Hey guys, this is how it looks right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share it, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I do to this. And I'm not forgetting about my Lancer. My Lancer is gonna be changing because I need to clean daily. And this is gonna be the little project for right now. But yeah guys, overall I like the aspect of the little carpet, black. Changes up the interior a bit. But I think I'm gonna do a center console next, but who knows, we'll see. And yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.
Little black jean jacket, got feet long on it, got that bad ass bitch.